don't deserve. I'm talking bam, 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 bitch, just hold that bitch on every jam. Crazy bitch behind that Draco, he gon' make a nigga. I got them bands, 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 bands. Cody mix it with the Zan, so I just can't understand. Told me you love me, thought you would ride for me. Turn on all that shit you was saying was cat. I'm popping pills, trying to make me relax. My nigga dead, he wasn't lacking, tried to reach for the strap. Yeah, these niggas scary, they don't.
It's your boy Young Guapa Man, and I'm the El Chapo of YouTube. And as you can see in the title and thumbnail of this video, bro, I'm about to delete my muffler on my BMW 328i. Woo! Oh yeah. So yeah, bro. This is the regular sound of it. Pretty quiet. So now I'm like, yo, I'm on my way to the store. You feel me? When I get there, I'll make y'all know what's going on, bro. I've been wanting to do this to my car for like the longest, but now I'm like, yo, I'ma just do it today. Right? Just fuck it. Ain't it? Full send. We out. This is the inside of the shot.
All lower cars are brought in at Omen's risk. Oh shit.
Yeah, so this is the outcome of it, bro. Y'all think I should go with the black tops or the silver tops? Comment down below and tell me what y'all think I should get. Yeah, so now he's about to take it in the shop. Remember I'm low, bro. Remember I'm low. Remember I'm low. All right. All set. Bro, I'm like barely seeing it, and from seeing it right now, I'm telling you, bro, it's nice. It's like nice as hell, bro. I'm telling you, it's nice. This is my actual first starting up to my car. Shout out to my man Jerry, man. Challenges during the COVID-19. Alright. Home right now, you feel me? And I'm about to show my cousins and let them get a drive and feel out the new exhaust, you feel me? Slash muffler duty with new tips. Guess what? I did something to the car, bro.
Alright.
Yes, sir. You wanna check it out? Sure. Check it out. Yo, so y'all notice nothing different about the car, bro?
Nah. What the hell, bro?
Huh?
Oh, alright. You got that. Alright. That boy cashed out.
Ooh, I done cashed out. You know what I mean? You feel me? So cheap though. You know what I mean? Let's get it.
Something light.
All right, bro. Get y'all first reaction. All right, bro. This is y'all first reaction. You feel me? I got you.
Alright, let's hear this shit, bro. Like. Alright.
Okay.
What's up? That shit sound nice. What the hell?
That shit
bro?
do sound nice. No cap. Whipping that shit.
Tired, bro. Ain't got Alright, this is number 2. I'ma just keep it. I'ma see if I can make it pop bubbles.
The place one look after. See them there? Jesus.
You wanna go around? Oh, this nigga.
He's like, I hope you get my reaction.
No, that's tires, boy.
It's your boy Young Guapaman and I'm the El Chapo of YouTube, and y'all made it to the end of the video, bro. The end of the video of my BMW 328i muffler delete. You feel me? So it pops, bro. It pops. Y'all probably enjoyed this video as I enjoyed making it. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the like. Alright, drop a comment if y'all like videos of me working on my car. You feel me? What I'm doing to it. I know y'all probably curious. Look at this beauty. Bro, I'm out, bro.